Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.